Consider the boom in AI tools which are used for enhancing productivity. Believe me, it's perfectly okay with us. With the advent of technology, it is inevitable, isn't it? But what about one of the most dangerous trends in recent time where these artificially intelligent tools are randomly used to create sexually gratifying objects, directly inspiring sexual objectification? Are they not misused in creating online adult contents? Welcome to today's disturbing topic, where we'll be talking about an important and often controversial issue: the use of AI tools to create sexually gratifying images and videos of women. Since this is a sensitive subject, in this video, we'll look at the reasons behind this trend, the technologies involved, and the ethical questions it raises. However, I'm not going to judge what is wrong and what is right, because I think my viewers are intelligent enough. And of course, they are not artificially intelligent, therefore they will judge on their own. Our goal is to offer a neutral perspective so that you can understand the issue better. So let's get into the topic.
Hello and welcome to Gunset, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support.
First thing first, let us look at the rise of AI technology in recent times. Artificial intelligence, or in short AI, has advanced rapidly in recent years. From image recognition to natural language processing, AI is now capable of performing a wide range of tasks. No doubt it increases productivity in many ways. You can think of AI as a black box that emulates our brain. Inside the black box, there is something called machine learning, deep learning, etc. It takes billions of inputs from multiple digital sources which are interconnected, thanks to the internet. And at the end of the day, what it really does well is prediction. Because it computes much faster than us, it predicts more accurately. Considering the forecast of an inclement weather report, it saves lives irrespective of rich and poor countries. Because of its trained models which learn on its own, we don't have to worry about spam mails anymore. There are plenty more examples I can give you, but one of the most notable developments has been in the field of image and video generation that are the real shockers. At the center stage, there are women who are exploited because of these AI tools. And that is really dangerous. It can generate images or videos from text prompts, and sometimes they look like the original ones. AI tools like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and deep learning algorithms are at the core of this technology. Subsequently, they can create highly realistic images, videos, and even interactive content based on simple input data. As a result, these technologies are often used in entertainment, art, marketing, and other industries. And we have no objection regarding that use. Again, I repeat, they are inevitable. But, as we'll explore, these AI tools have also found their way into more controversial areas, such as the creation of sexually explicit material. Now, my question is why AI is used for creating sexual content where women are exploited? The question, who is doing this, is immaterial. Why? Because anyone with a computer or mobile and internet connection can do it now, even an illiterate person. But the major concerns are the underlying reasons. There are several reasons why AI tools are being used to generate sexually gratifying images and videos. Let's break down some of the key motivations behind this overly popular activity. Firstly, anonymity and control. Yes, one reason is the level of anonymity and control that AI offers. With AI tools, individuals can create content without revealing their identities. This can appeal to those who prefer privacy while engaging in online adult content creation. Secondly, customization and personalization, which attracts people towards it. Think of the situation where you can create your dream woman body according to your preference, and it is just like any other customized product. AI allows for a high degree of customization. Consequently, users can input specific requests, such as altering physical features, clothing, or backgrounds, to create personalized content. This level of detail and control over the final product can make the experience more appealing. But to the women, they suffer appalling psychological trauma. Thirdly, availability and accessibility 24/7. Behind this immense popularity, another key reason is convenience. One can create AI-generated content quickly and efficiently. Now users don't need to rely on actors or production teams. They can create their own content from the comfort of their homes. Yes, artificial intelligence has made us equal. It puts rich and poor on the same level playing field. But this democratization of content creation invites trouble also. Why? Because AI makes it easier for people to engage in creating or consuming adult content without needing to be involved in traditional media production. At the same time, we cannot ignore the appeal of fantasy and escapism. As you know, AI-generated content can be used to explore fantasy scenarios that might not be feasible in real life. For some users, this can be a form of escapism, allowing them to explore different types of interactions, relationships, or sexual identities in a virtual space. Moreover, the technology behind it allows the users to escape from reality, and that attracts people in droves. To understand why AI tools are so powerful, let's briefly look at how they work. As I said before, one popular tool is called a generative adversarial network, GAN. What is GAN? A GAN is a type of machine learning model where two neural networks, one a generator and the other a discriminator, work together. The generator creates content and the discriminator evaluates it. Over time, they improve each other, leading to the creation of more realistic and convincing images. These tools use vast amounts of data to learn from existing images and videos, which means that they can replicate various aspects of human appearance and behavior. But that is a dangerous trend, as this includes not only facial features and body types, but also movements and expressions. Therefore, you can replicate any real character and make them do something that they will never imagine to do. Because of this reason, legal and ethical concerns are really important. The creation of sexually explicit content using AI raises significant legal and ethical questions. These questions are often at the center of debates on whether AI-generated adult content is harmful or acceptable. Let us first consider the role of consent. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is consent. We know that traditional adult content relies on the consent of all parties involved. However, AI-generated content can be created without the knowledge or consent of the individuals depicted. This has led to the rise of deepfakes, videos where someone's face is superimposed onto another person's body, often in sexually explicit situations. As a consequence, the lack of consent for the use of someone's likeness in AI-generated content is a serious issue. In fact, several studies have shown that deepfake pornography is linked to harassment and exploitation of victims, sometimes with their faces being used without their approval. The 2018 paper by Wei Liu and others highlighted the rise of deepfakes and their potential for misuse, including in adult content. In our coming discussions, we will try to shed more light on deepfake videos. So please stay tuned and keep watching. Secondly, we need to consider the aspect of exploitation and harm. AI tools can also be used to exploit vulnerable individuals. One concern is that AI could be used to create content that manipulates or coerces people into situations they did not consent to. For instance, AI tools could be used to produce fake videos involving celebrities or minors, which is illegal and harmful. But the perpetrators are mostly saved because of the anonymity and lack of regulations. Research such as the work by M. Gross and others on deepfake detection show how harmful these technologies can be when used maliciously. Thirdly, we must consider the impact on industry and human relationships. Believe me, it has a vast impact on our relationships. Why? Let's see how the widespread use of AI-generated sexual content could have consequences for the adult entertainment industry. Some fear it may undermine the work of real actors and performers, leading to economic consequences. Additionally, the ability to create any fantasy scenario might blur the lines between real-life intimacy and virtual experiences, leading to questions about how this impacts human relationships. You might wonder, what is the role of regulation? Given the ethical and legal concerns, there have been calls for stronger regulation of AI-generated content. Some governments are working on laws to address deepfake pornography, while tech companies are also exploring ways to prevent abuse. However, there are challenges in creating effective regulations that balance freedom of expression with the protection of individuals from harm. Experts like Dr. Howley have proposed various solutions for detecting and preventing deepfakes, but it remains an ongoing debate. Finally, what is the future of AI and adult content? As AI technology continues to improve, it's likely that AI-generated adult content will become even more realistic and harder to distinguish from real videos. As a result, it will impact our society more and more profoundly, harshly. Therefore, severe consequences are awaited. This raises further questions about how society will adapt to these new capabilities. Of course, we must not forget that AI also has potential for positive uses in areas like medical research, education, and therapy. If we don't say that, time will not forgive us, right? For example, AI could help in creating therapeutic scenarios for people who are working through sexual trauma or other mental health issues. But finding a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility is the real challenge now. Let us not forget that AI tools have revolutionized many aspects of our lives, and adult content is no exception. While there are clear motivations for why AI is used to create sexually gratifying images and videos, there are significant ethical, legal, and societal challenges that must be addressed. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in this space will depend on how society chooses to regulate and use these tools. The conversation is far from over, and it's important that we continue to explore these issues thoughtfully and responsibly. Thanks for watching so far. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the topic. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe and take care.